Hello, students and families. We're still working on the first component of social emotional learning, and that's being more self-aware. So this week, we're learning how our thoughts affect our actions and emotions. Negative thoughts lead to anxiety and stress. Becoming aware of your negative thoughts and replacing them with positive self-talk helps you control your emotions, your actions, and your behaviors. Watch the video called "You Are Not Your Thoughts" below and learn how to become more aware of your negative thoughts. Next, think of a positive thought that you could repeat to yourself several times a day. Think of something short and uplifting that could replace all those negative thoughts that you might say to yourself. If you need ideas, there are some videos down below. One is called Positive Affirmation for Teens. Another one's I Am Affirmations. And then what I want you to do is find someone in your house to tell what your positive affirmation is. It might change every week. This week for me, when I'm feeling down, I'm just gonna say, you're doing your best, keep on going. So what are you gonna say to yourself? See you next time.